two USB Type-C hubs from Baseus. One is 8-in-1 and 11-in-1. Their port comparison is over here. The 11-in-1 has the extra VGA port and the 3.5mm jack. So this is what it looks like after attaching the USB-C hubs from Baseus under the laptop holder. So I can just simply come in here and plug in this one connection and have dual monitor setup. And this is my monitor arm. They both feature, 4K HDMI Type-C, SD card reader, TF card reader, and a Ethernet port. You can pause and read the user manual. Dual Type-C. Dual HDMI port and one power supply goes into the USB-C hub. I get 6 USB Type-A ports, one headphone jack. If you are still using headphones, really simple to just keep it there and always have a pair of headphones down there. Unplug, plug in. I get dual monitors. This is the 8-in-1. Type-C HDMI, card readers, Ethernet port, and 3 USB Type-A ports. It has an additional VGA port, 3 USB Type-A, Type-C. Baseus always have some brilliant designs. Look at this cable storage. I love this design. Okay, let's take a look at the port differences. SD card, HDMI. This one has 2 HDMI ports, Type-C power delivery, and additional VGA port on the 11-in-1, headphone jack. It moved the power delivery port on the other side. I'm going to use them like this. With the AfterPlug, I'll be able to group both USB Type-C hubs and use them as one and stack them up. Notice there is a little indicator light when plugged in. I think that's again a very nice design that I did not see from other hubs. Double-sided tape. Now it's pretty secure. They can be used as if they're one.